working on red stones. These stones are very hot and they were hit with truckloads of firewood from this morning. Bula! Bula! They can hear you. Bula! Bula! Now, ladies and gentlemen, these fireworkers, they have taboo. I can remember two of the taboos. One, they are not allowed to eat coconut for 2 weeks before they come for the fireworking. And the second taboo, they are not to sleep with their partners, if they have partners, for 2 weeks before they come for fireworking. You'll see the group leader or the priest, he was away for 3 months. But they can live up with the second taboo. Ito rin dito magandang. Martiki ko medyo bumatang. Bula! Bula! Bula!